you! Who are you? You know this all. An angel sent by God. Angel? You don't even have a wings!
It's okay, it's okay.
What? Who am I? Tell me! Who am I? Who are you? 22 years old. At a young age, to your parents, your father and your mother, who always fight every day. No, that's not true. You're just lying to me. Your father is a drug dealer. Eventually, he became addicted to drugs. Leave me alone. Your mother was a drunkard. My mother, she loved me. No, she never cared about you. At age of 12, leave me alone. You became a drug addict. You smoke. Leave me alone. I don't know. That's all things. You're an evil. I know it. You're an evil. One night, you're having conversation with your friends. And then you're okay. She's crying. Then you leave and kill her. No, I didn't. I didn't rape her. Yes, you did. You never felt remorse. Then you came back home. No, you killed your parents. Stop! You committed suicide yourself. No! Please tell me, what will happen to me? What? You are sentenced to God. You are sentenced by God to go to hell. You are eternally damned.
Nami sabotahe. Sound na lang.
In this story, we learn that in life there are choices. A choice between good and evil. It is in our hearts where the right choice will lie. Will you be on the right side? In the ship? Or in the left side?
Hindi ka pa man.